Hello, this video shows you how to fix a damaged particle board furniture. Step by step. My coffee table has a severed water damage problem. I need to buy a new one or fix it. Let's start. First, find the damaged area and remove the surface over it only. I use my favorite tools. A knife to remove the water damaged area. Then a cutter. Apply resin putty over the particle board area. You may need to apply it twice. You need to wait 10 minutes before apply putty again. Resin putty cure fast, so you need to do it fast. Rub it with 350 grit sandpaper after it cured. Soak the sandpaper in water and rub again. Use a 100 grit sandpaper to fine rubbing. Clean the surface by a glass cleaner. Apply PVC sticker or any material you like over the surface. Now everything is fine and looking good for me. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel.